Before we finish this lesson, let's just quickly write all the words and phrases that we learnt on a cue card. So don't forget to write the French words on one side of the cue card and then turn it over and put the English words down the centre of the other side of the cue card. In lesson 3 we had mais, which means but, oui, meaning yes, merci, which means thank you or thanks, toujours, means always, parfait is perfect, ça means that, and ça c'est means that is. That lesson was from my course 3-Minute French. If you enjoyed it and would like to keep learning, you can enroll on the full course at www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Merci.